work to find engineering solutions to make better therapeutics, including vaccines. So when we talk about medicines, usually we imagine somebody with a lab coat, so a doctor or a life scientist or a doctor working in a hospital environment. But it's really engineers who take really a lab discovery and make it into a real product. So something with a price tag. We make better therapeutics, but what does better means, right? It means that we make products that are cheaper, safer. We need to make them robustly in large quantities. The process used to make those must be maybe simpler, so involving less operations, so therefore less costly. So we work with pharmaceutical companies to solve a problem that they might have. For example, I work with Pfizer to make large quantities of one of their blockbuster. But we also have our own innovative solutions, innovative processes, and we work with low and middle income countries manufacturers to really, to empower them. We do training for them, we support research collaborations, so that they can make their own products. We demonstrate our methodologies using their material so that they can essentially adopt it safely and with confidence. I work with lots of large companies, but I find working with low and middle income countries manufacturers an eye-opening experience, and the fact that they are not, market and revenue driven, but they do want to make vaccines for their own people. This is the most rewarding part of my job at the moment, is to find solutions and help them as they try to make their own world better. I think society should care because the pandemic and the development of new variants was, originating in a region and then spreading all over the world has taught us that nobody is safe until everyone is. And like it or not, we do live in a global society, so we must take responsibility as global citizens and support and help those countries who need these medicines the most.